7:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:58 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 6:58 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located 14 miles west of Brandenburg, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near Brandenburg around 8:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lowdale, Montfort, Laconia, Raymond, Freemire, Rodelia, Andyville,
Strong thunderstorms will
and
impact.
Emmons. Take cover now.
Oh, dude, you're about to get hit.
Or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
What?
Strong thunderstorms will impact northern Warren counties.
In a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Turn out, dude, get your weather radios ready.
The tornado warning for northeastern Perry County is canceled.
Oh my god.